The House Ag Committee passed a bill this week titled Attractive Nuisances. You would think with a title like that it has something to do with people that look like me, but it's not. It's about farm ponds. It's a bill that hopes to lower the liability for farm owners that, or really even all landowners that have ponds on their property, wildlife ponds, irrigation ponds. The bill actually was passed by the entire House last session. It never became law, so the bill sponsor is running it again this year. And it's really tries to lower the liability for these landowners on ponds that haven't been improved, so they don't have a diving board or anything like that on them. And so it limits the amount of liability that they owe or that they have when somebody trespasses on the property. So the House Ag Committee also passed a bill that would require the public schools in North Carolina, as part of their nutrition program, to make available 100% muscadine grape juice. So in the nutrition programs, they have milk, water, a lot of them will have grape juice, things like that. And so what the attempt here is to require them to make available, not that they have to force the kids to drink muscadine juice, but make available muscadine juice in the schools, whether it's part of the nutrition program or in a vending machine. It would also make a tweak to the NCDA farm to school program, where they would modify their bidding process so that they also will bring in fruit and fruit products that are part of the Got to Be NC marketing program. So currently the House and the Senate budget subcommittees have been meeting jointly. They typically do this at the beginning of the 2-year cycle to review. They get reports from the different agencies that they have control of the budget over, and so that's starting to wrap up. They've in the next few weeks they'll probably be finished with those reports, and at that time the Senate they'll stop having joint meetings. The Senate subcommittees will start meeting in earnest and developing the Senate's budget. So again, we'll probably start that process in the next few weeks.